Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is how to make fried wonton noodles. Wonton skins are very similar to egg roll wrappers. You can usually find these in your fresh food section of your grocery store. We're going to start by taking our wonton skins and cutting them into about 1/4 inch strips. Then we'll place them into our hot oil in our wok and fry until golden. Once they're done, we'll take them out, lay them on some paper towel to drain off any excess oil. Then they're ready to serve, either with some sweet and sour or duck sauce, or top a salad for an extra crunch.